Hey guys, my name is Amna Khan and I will be showing you guys how to get that perfect vampy cat eyes and obviously the bombshell. Hey guys, my name is Amna Khan and I will be showing you guys how to get that perfect vampy cat eyes and obviously the bombshell. That perfect Victoria's Secret bombshell hair. So it's been so long since I've done this, on Snapchat and stuff. I am a makeup artist based in Karachi, Pakistan, but I'm currently in London for my makeup course. So I will be showing you guys some techniques and tips and tricks on how I do the perfect cat eye. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So first of all, for any makeup look, the first thing I do is prep my skin, which is very important. And my skin type is really dry, and the fact that in London it's so cold, my skin is drier than usual. So for that, I will be using the Amberlease moisturizing cream, as well as this Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream on my lips. I've already applied that. If you have chapped lips, this is the best thing. You can use it as a lip mask, or you can use it on your dry patches and just remove it after 5 minutes and they'll be gone. I will use like a good amount of this moisturizer and just massage it into my skin. I will use like a good amount of this moisturizer and just massage it into my skin. So while the moisturizer is sinking into my skin, this is my skin without any filter, and I woke up with these two besties. So yeah, till then we will start with our eyes. I'll be using this palette by Dose of Colors, a Blushing Berries. I will be using all these shades exactly how they are, like the lightest and then the light, the dark, the darker, and the darkest. Exactly like this. This is just the Maybelline Setting Concealer. I'm priming my eyelids. Promise, you've been with my team lately. Take your ass to my stove. Everything on the low. Down and keep it real quiet. You know that she rather deal. Keep on adding the shades, like the light and the lightest, the light, the dark, the darker, and the darkest, and you will have that gradient effect, and you want it in this V shape. this is how it's gonna look. I added the black and from here too, so can you see that this all goes in a straight line? I just wiped the excess off from my wipe, and now it's all in a straight line. This is the YSL All Hours foundation, and this is Too Faced Born This Way. The shades are ivory and wait, why isn't it? Okay, so for that dewy finish, what I like to do is on my beauty blender, I add 2-3 drops of oils of life or argan oil. Yeah, and then I blend my foundation.
I'll be honest, hasn't been the same without you. It's crazy. I just want you to know that I don't wanna lose you. I don't wanna lose you. I don't wanna lose you. I feel like I already lost you, yeah. What?
Show you I'm the one for you. It's you and me, so baby, let me ride back for you.
Tainted love, can't get enough, no, can't get enough. Listen, where you been before, my dear? I'm alone up in the cloud. I will not take it, I'm living up, but I need you now. I need to leave somehow. I need to break them open into open ocean water. Deepest ever, I'm drowning out without another. I can't fight it, I'm not even a darling. So I stay silent, but I would never hide it. Crazy, you've never been before. Open up your mind and let it all out. Let's take another trip if you don't mind lasting longer than the nights that we filled with passion. Breathing in the air that you'll soon be grasping now. I don't wanna leave, yeah. I'm begging to stay. You say where's the old you? That ain't even me. Now you don't wanna sleep, yeah. It's getting too late.
So guys, I'm done with the makeup look. Now I'll be moving on and doing my hair. So for my hair, the straightener that I usually use when I'm in Pakistan is the Remington Shine Therapy. But since I'm here, I'm using my sister-in-law's GHD, which I really like. So yep, I will show you how I do my curls now. Just take a chunk and I just keep on twisting your straightener. And there you go. The perfect curl. And just keep on doing that. I'm going to show it to you guys one more time. Just do this and keep on twisting the straightener. So guys, I've curled my hair now, as you guys can see. This is how they look. It honestly takes me, I have really thin hair, so it just takes me like 10 minutes, 15 minutes to curl my hair.